Story title: Meta introduces a more lenient AI content policy. Meta, the social media giant behind Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, is changing its approach to AI-generated content. Instead of focusing on removing problematic content, Meta will now label it, emphasizing transparency over content removal. This shift in policy is a departure from the company's previous approach, which was narrowly defined to address deceptive videos. The new policy is a response to the progress made in AI technology and is based on extensive feedback from a wide range of stakeholders, including the general public. Meta is working with organizations like the Partnership on AI, governments, and non-governmental organizations to keep the policies up to date with the latest technological advancements. The new policy introduces two labels, Made with AI and Imagined with AI, to clearly identify content that was created or altered with AI. The AI-generated content will be based on identifying the signals of AI authorship and self-reporting. Content that is significantly misleading may receive more prominent labels so that users can get a better understanding. Harmful content that violates the community standards, such as content that incites violence, election interference, bullying, or harassment, will still be removed, regardless of whether it is human or AI-generated. The original AI labeling policy was created in 2020, but Meta's oversight board recognized that technology had progressed to the point that a new policy was needed. The new policy expands to address AI-generated audio and images, in addition to videos. Meta's process for updating their rules appears to have anticipated pushback from all sides, and the new policy is based on extensive feedback from a wide range of stakeholders and input from the general public. The new policy emphasizes the need for transparency and context for AI-generated content, and removal of content will be based on violations of their community standards. The preferred response will be to label potentially problematic content. Meta's revised policy is a welcome move towards a more transparent and less punitive approach to AI-generated content. Source: www.searchenginejournal.com. Story title: Unveiling how tech companies leverage AI for self-teaching purposes. In a fascinating development at the intersection of technology and artificial intelligence, companies like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic are exploring the use of synthetic data to train their AI models. But what exactly is synthetic data, and why are these tech giants turning to it? Synthetic data is data generated by AI algorithms, rather than by human beings. With the internet's supply of high-quality text for AI development potentially dwindling, and copyright lawsuits from authors, news organizations, and computer programmers looming, synthetic data offers a way to reduce copyright issues and increase the supply of training materials for AI. However, synthetic data is not without its flaws. AI models are prone to errors and can make things up, and they have been shown to pick up on the biases present in the internet data from which they were trained. As a result, training AI with synthetic data could amplify these flaws. While synthetic data is not yet widely used by tech companies, they are experimenting with it, and it has the potential to become a bigger part of how AI systems are built in the future. The use of synthetic data raises important questions about the future of AI development and the implications for copyright law and bias in AI models. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, the answers to these questions will become all the more critical. Sources: What to know about tech companies using AI to teach their own AI, The New York Times. Anthropic, an AI startup, wants to make synthetic data work, The New York Times. How the AI race began, The New York Times. Key figures in the field of AI, The New York Times. 1 year of ChatGPT, The New York Times. Note: this article is written by an AI language model. Story title: Celebrate the Future, Showcasing AI-Enhanced Creations. In a significant move to enhance transparency and provide greater context to its users, Meta, the parent company of Facebook, has announced that it will start applying a Made with AI badge to a broader range of AI-generated content. The new policy, which is set to take effect in May, will see the company label content where it detects industry-standard AI image indicators or when users acknowledge they are uploading AI-generated content. The decision comes after an oversight board decision on a controversial video where US President Joe Biden was depicted as touching his granddaughter inappropriately. The board had recommended a less restrictive approach to manipulated media like labels with context, as the video did not violate the company's rules regarding manipulated media. In response to the board's recommendations, Meta has agreed that providing transparency and additional context is now the better way to address such content. The labels will cover a broader range of content in addition to the manipulated content that the Oversight Board recommended labeling. The board had suggested that Meta should reconsider its policy quickly, given the number of elections in 2024. The board stated that it is especially critical to preserve freedom of expression while protecting against demonstrable offline harm, especially in the context of such an important year for elections. The Oversight Board was pleased that the company agreed with its recommendations and said that it would review the company's implementation of recommendations in a transparency report. The new policy is a significant step towards providing greater transparency and context to users and will help people make informed decisions about the content they consume. By labeling AI-generated content, Meta is taking a proactive approach to addressing the challenges posed by deepfakes and other forms of manipulated media. The use of AI has become increasingly prevalent in recent years, and with it, the potential for misuse. Meta's decision to label AI-generated content is a welcome move and sets a precedent for other tech companies to follow. In conclusion, Meta's decision to label AI-generated content is a significant step towards enhancing transparency and providing greater context to its users. By labeling content where it detects industry-standard AI image indicators or when users acknowledge they are uploading AI-generated content, Meta is taking a proactive approach to addressing the challenges posed by deepfakes and other forms of manipulated media. Sources: www.indiatvnews.com. Story title: Jony Ive seeks $1 billion for AI venture, AppleInsider report. Jony Ive, the renowned former head designer at Apple, is on the hunt for a significant $1 billion in funding from prominent artificial intelligence venture capitalists to launch his enigmatic assistant product. According to reports, Ive is in talks with Thrive Capital, an investment firm known for its association with OpenAI, and Laureen Powell Jobs Emerson Collective. This recent development is not the first time Ive has been linked to AI projects. In September 2023, Ive was rumored to be collaborating with SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son. More recently, Ive has been reported to be engaged in brainstorming sessions at his San Francisco studio with Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. The purpose of Ive's new AI product remains unclear, but previous reports suggest that these sessions focused on the potential of a new consumer product that harnesses OpenAI technology. Ive's efforts in the AI field could put him at odds with his former employer, Apple, as the tech giant has been actively exploring machine learning and artificial intelligence across its hardware and services. Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, stated that the company would have AI-related announcements by the end of 2024, implying that the tech behemoth has significant AI plans in the works. Greg Joswiak, Apple's SVP of Marketing, recently posted on social media promoting the company's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, 2024, urging developers to mark your calendars for #WWDC24, and mentioning that the event will be absolutely incredible. The capitalized "absolutely incredible" in Joswiak's post is a clear hint at the AI-related announcements expected at WWDC 2024. Ive's pursuit of AI development funding and Apple's AI advancements indicate an intriguing and competitive landscape for AI-driven consumer products. As technology enthusiasts and industry observers, we can look forward to the exciting developments and announcements that will unfold in the coming months. Source: AppleInsider.com. Story title: Introducing LangChain, the AI Fintech project revolutionizing finance. In the rapidly evolving world of finance, making informed decisions is paramount, yet understanding and evaluating investments can be a daunting task for many. With a plethora of financial data, news, and analytics scattered across various platforms, investors often face the challenge of accessing the information they need to make well-informed decisions. This is where the LangChain financial agent comes into play, providing a streamlined, centralized platform for users to access financial data, news, and analytics with ease. Built on LangChain and Fast API, this cutting-edge AI fintech project aims to simplify the investment decision-making process by offering a comprehensive solution to the challenges investors face. The LangChain financial agent seamlessly integrates with financial databases and employs advanced algorithms to calculate essential financial metrics such as owner earnings, return on equity, ROE, and return on invested capital, ROIC. Furthermore, it can perform a discounted cash flow valuation, providing users with a holistic understanding of an investment's worth. What sets the LangChain financial agent apart is its ability to fetch real-time data and analyze it from reputable sources, ensuring that the information it provides is current and accurate. Its sophisticated analytical tools simplify complex financial calculations, making it an invaluable asset for both seasoned and novice investors. In an era where time is of the essence, the LangChain financial agent saves users valuable time and effort by consolidating financial data, news, and analytics on a user-friendly platform. Its ability to calculate crucial financial metrics and perform in-depth valuations empowers users to make informed investment choices with confidence. The LangChain financial agent is an innovation that promises to democratize access to financial information, enabling a broader range of individuals to participate in the financial market. Its potential impact on the fintech industry is significant, as it addresses investors' critical challenges, making financial analysis more accessible and comprehensible. The LangChain financial agent marks a significant milestone in the integration of AI and fintech, heralding a new era of financial decision-making that is informed, efficient, and accessible. To learn more about the LangChain financial agent, check out the GitHub and Google Colab notebook, and follow the creators on Twitter. Join the MarkTech Post Telegram channel, Discord channel, and LinkedIn group to stay updated on the latest developments in AI and fintech. Source: www.marktechpost.com. Story title: Israel's use of AI for bombing targets under scrutiny in the US. The United States is currently looking into a report that the Israeli military has been using artificial intelligence to help identify bombing targets in Gaza, according to White House National Security spokesperson John Kirby. The report, published in PLUS 97. Story title: Bubble Warning, Market Bears Caution for AI and Technology. Renowned market strategist and notorious bear, Albert Edwards, has issued a stark warning about the current market narratives driving the stock market, suggesting that they are built on shaky foundations. In a recent client note, Edwards, the chief global strategist at Societe Generale, questioned the strength of the narratives surrounding the potential impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on corporate profits and the ongoing U.S. economic recovery. He based his argument on the declining optimism of Wall Street analysts, which he believes is a more reliable indicator of economic health than the recent upswing in certain economic indicators. Edwards noted that while analyst optimism had surged after the release of ChatGPT 3.5 in late 2022, it has since cooled, with a downtrend emerging on a 6-month moving average basis. This downtrend is present for both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, with about 45% of changes to S&P 500 analysts' earnings estimates being upgrades, down from 50% in early 2023. Historically, analyst optimism has been a good indicator of the economy's direction, as shown by its correlation with economic indicators such as the Conference Board's Leading Economic Index and the Institute for Supply Management's U.S. Manufacturing Index. In addition, analyst optimism tends to be tied to stock market performance, with the S&P 500's year-over-year percentage change closely mirroring the analyst optimism measure. As such, Edwards believes that a clear change in direction in analyst optimism is usually a good cyclical indicator of a change in fortune for an economy. He noted that the Manufacturing ISM Index, which typically moves in step with analyst optimism, is now at risk of a surprise downturn. For Edwards, the recent market rally may be more attributable to the liquidity being pumped into the economy by the Fed via the repo market and relatively dovish central bank messaging than to investor optimism. He believes that the market is now in a bubble, with fundamentals disconnected from reality. Edwards' views are not without context, as the relationship between analyst optimism and the performance of the stock market and economy has been historically close. However, it is worth noting that market consensus was famously wrong about the 2022-2023 recession that never came. Moreover, the current cycle may be different, with normal economic measures not being as reliable as in the past. Recession risks are still present, and the stronger the economy performs today, the greater the risk of a potential downturn in the future. Bears are increasingly rare in this market, but notable naysayers such as Jeremy Grantham and David Rosenberg have warned of the potential for significant downside in the S&P 500. Investors will have to wait and see how economic data and earnings reports fare in the months ahead, as these factors will likely dictate whether bulls can continue to ride the rally or whether skeptics like Edwards are proven right. Source: www.businessinsider.com. Up equals 1 greater than story title. Discover Scribio, your ultimate AI writing assistant. Macworld Review. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, content creation has become a crucial aspect of personal and professional growth. However, crafting high-quality content that drives results can be time-consuming and challenging. Enter Scribio, the AI writing assistant that has been making waves in the world of content creation. This all-purpose AI content generator is now available for a limited time at an unbeatable price of $67.99, down from its original price of $684. Scribio is designed to revolutionize the way users harness AI capabilities to make content creation a breeze. With a user-friendly interface that supports 37 languages, Scribio creates captivating and tailored content to elevate everything from branding to conversions. Whether you're looking to create blog posts, social media copy, or even need image suggestions, Scribio has got you covered. One of the standout features of Scribio is its ability to create its own images, ensuring that you always have pictures that perfectly complement your messaging. Moreover, Scribio comes with an AI voiceover generator that includes over 500 realistic male and female voices in 140 different accents and languages. It also boasts an AI transcription tool that transcribes audio to video text with 99% accuracy and an AI code generator for top-notch code in any language. Scribio streamlines content production needs, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to save time and create high-quality content. With a lifetime subscription to Scribio, you'll never have to worry about content creation again. So what are you waiting for? Get Scribio now and start creating captivating content in a fraction of the time it used to take. Source: www.macworld.com. Story title: OpenAI's Altman and Apple's Ive collaborate to secure funding. In a fascinating development in the world of artificial intelligence, OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman and former Apple Chief Design Officer Jony Ive are reportedly seeking to raise up to $1 billion to fund their mysterious AI device, according to a report from The Information. The unnamed startup, formed by Altman and Ive, is rumored to be developing a product that will not resemble a smartphone, but instead, may function similarly to the Humane Eye Pin or the Rabbit R1. Altman is a major investor in the Humane Eye Pin, which could provide a clue as to what the secretive device may look and behave like. Sam Altman and Jony Ive are reaching out to venture capitalists to secure the necessary funds, reportedly aiming to raise millions of dollars, as it will likely take a significant amount of capital to bring the AI hardware to market. The project has already attracted the attention of SoftBank's Masayoshi Son, who has been in discussions with Altman and Ive. Thrive Capital, which has funded OpenAI, and Emerson Collective, a venture capital firm, are also potential investors. Ive has previously suggested that the device could be interacted with as a computer but would be less reliant on displays. However, the exact nature of the product remains unknown, and it is likely still in the concept stage. The collaboration between Altman and Ive has the potential to create a groundbreaking device that could change the way we interact with AI technology. While details about the product are scarce, the level of interest and investment already shown in the project suggests that it has the potential to be a game changer. As the startup continues to seek funding and develop the device, the tech world will be watching closely for any updates. With two such influential figures leading the project, the possibilities for what they may create are endless. Are you excited about the potential of this mysterious AI device? What features would you like to see in a device that is not designed to look like a smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Source: The Information. URL: wccftech.com. Story title: Unleashing the Power of Mojo for AI in 2024. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, AI, one platform has emerged as the frontrunner for AI applications in 2024, Mojo. With its cutting-edge technology, robust performance, and innovative features, Mojo has solidified its position as the premier choice for businesses and developers. In this article, we delve into the reasons why Mojo has become the go-to platform for AI applications this year. Mojo's innovative features set it apart from its competitors. Its advanced natural language processing, NLP, capabilities and state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms make it a comprehensive suite of tools for building powerful AI applications. Mojo's intuitive user interface and flexible architecture make it easy for developers to create custom solutions tailored to their specific needs. One of the key advantages of Mojo is its scalability and performance. Whether you're handling a small-scale project or a large-scale deployment, Mojo can easily scale to meet your needs. Its distributed architecture ensures high availability and fault tolerance, making it ideal for mission-critical applications that require uninterrupted operation. Mojo seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party services and platforms, allowing developers to leverage existing tools and technologies. Whether you're integrating with cloud services, databases, or other AI frameworks, Mojo provides robust APIs and SDKs to streamline the integration process. Security and compliance are paramount concerns for AI applications. Mojo prioritizes security at every level, implementing industry-leading encryption and access control measures to protect sensitive data. Additionally, Mojo ensures compliance with key regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA, giving businesses peace of mind when deploying AI solutions. Beyond its technical capabilities, Mojo boasts a vibrant community of developers, researchers, and enthusiasts who contribute to its ongoing development and evolution. From online forums and user groups to comprehensive documentation and support resources, Mojo offers unparalleled support to its users, ensuring they have the resources they need to succeed. Despite its advanced features and capabilities, Mojo remains cost-effective and accessible for businesses of all sizes. With flexible pricing plans and pay-as-you-go options, businesses can scale their usage of Mojo to align with their budget and requirements, avoiding unnecessary overhead costs. As the field of AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it's essential to choose a platform that can adapt to emerging trends and technologies. Mojo is designed with future-proofing in mind, incorporating modular architecture and extensible APIs that enable seamless integration of new features and capabilities as they become available. In conclusion, Mojo is the best choice for AI applications in 2024, thanks to its innovative features, scalability, performance, integration capabilities, security, community support, cost-effectiveness, and future-proofing. Whether you're building chatbots, predictive analytics models, or computer vision applications, Mojo provides the tools and resources you need to succeed in today's competitive landscape of AI innovation. Source: www.analyticsinsight.net